Today's video is a plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another plan with me video, but this time it's in my Hobonichi Weeks, starring hands and a lot of post-its. This week I'm using my Perfect Day Hobonichi Weeks kit. I've got a handful of Hobonichi Weeks in the shop. If you'd like to see each and every one of them, go ahead and click on the video just before this in my channel. Also, this week I feel like I need the space, so I'm putting down my checklist right next to my date cover-ups. For the bottom of the page, I'm putting down my left bottom box sticker, and the other box goes to the right page. Remember that you need to have it aligned with the line in between Saturday and Sunday, and it will fit perfectly. There's a lot of struggle in this plan with me, I feel like, especially for that sticker there. You need to be very careful with putting down stickers in your Hobonichi because sometimes when you peel off the sticker, part of the page will also peel off, just like what's happening there right now. If that happens, you just let it go and just hope for the best. At least that's what I do. For some reason, Hans is having trouble putting down the boxes all over the page. I'm not sure why. It must be an off day for Hans because here it was going to the left page, now it goes to the right page. But it turned out pretty good in the end. I feel like in the last few plan with me's, I've been using the boxes on the left side of the page, but you don't really have to do that. Mind that they were designed for the left side of the page, but as you can see here, you can use it on the left, you can use it on the right. Whichever place you want to put it, it's good to go. Mind also that I always use my checklist mini box as my tracker. You can see later when I put my pen or ink my page, so to speak, why or how I use the tracker for my weekly pages. And that's the last sticker down. The decoration part of this video has ended here, but if you'd like to see how I fill out the pages, please stay a little bit more. I always keep my pre-planning post-its or sticky notes right next to me when I fill out my week. I've also pulled some of my Joy stickers from the shop. It's super cute. I love them so much and I use them all the time. Go ahead and get them at a discount right now while everything in the shop is on sale. Here I'm starting with the This Week box. I'm putting down what I'm doing for that week, which is New Releases Week. New releases will be up on the 15th of April, so stay tuned for that. I'm also marking my days where I will be at school. But before I write anything down, I'm gonna color it with my coloring pen from Koi. The pen that I'm using here is actually a generic fountain pen that I found in National Bookstore for not very much. I put a Sailor ink, I forgot what name, Fuji something I believe. It's a purple ink and it's really pretty. So on Monday, it's always a filming day and an editing day. Sometimes I have to edit on Thursdays as well, but I try not to. And also, I put down my swap with Clingy stickers. She is a local Philippine shop. She has beautiful kits. Go ahead and check her out. She is on Etsy as well as on Shopee, but she only makes stickers for ECLP and Happy Planners. And also Mini Happy Planner, I believe. Okay, on Thursday, another filming. So I need to film and I need to post videos on that day. Oh no, I don't need to film. I just need to post a video. Right. Okay, and I also need to design new releases because there's stuff coming out on the 15th that I haven't actually done. As to date, I haven't done anything for the new releases. There's gonna be some long nights in the future that I can see. And then on Sunday, that's gonna be a busy day next week because I'm probably going to cram all new releases in one day. Going back to Tuesday, that is when I will be editing my videos as well as VO. VO stands for voiceover. That's what I'm doing right now. And I need to update orders on Wednesday because international orders takes time and sometimes they get lost, so we need to keep updated with what's going on. And then I'm putting down that phone sticker because I want to mark down that I need to promote the new releases as soon as I can, as soon as they are or they have been designed. So here we go with the tracker. I put down IG posts as well as stories and then FB groups. Now I'm gonna color in a few of the lines so that I know that that's the place to mark. I'm just gonna mark it with an X when they happen, and I've just written down my Mondays through Saturdays on there for each of the box. Now on that sticker, I'm just putting down what I'm going to do next week. There's still a little bit of space, so I'm probably going to fill out whatever I need to do, probably make orders. For the new releases, I'm coming out with die cuts. So I always come out with die cuts on the 15th of every month, so the half-month release. And then I am apparently going to be coming out with new Hobonichi cousin kits. I completely forgot all about that. Oh goodness. Here's a tip. If you really want to emphasize something, don't just color it in. Write the word done and a circle right beside it so that you know that it was done. For the rest of the page, I'm just coloring it in anticipation of further notes, and that's about it. I'm just putting away all the mess and putting this planner in the middle, and thank you so much for watching. So here is our sale currently ongoing up until April 8th, Manila time or Philippine time. So if you want something or you like something, go ahead and purchase it right now while everything is on sale and automatic discounts are live. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you really want some more planner videos from this channel, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube. If you really like our stuff, please buy it from paperjoyph.com. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye-bye!